You know that moment in a video game when the jet launches, the runway disappears behind you, and suddenly the sky opens up? For a split second, your brain forgets you're sitting in a chair. Now imagine that feeling, but it's actually happening. Because this thing right here, the X-Wing Fighter eVTOL, might be one of the strangest flying machines I've ever seen. Not because it's big, not because it's fast, but because of what it does to your brain once you put the goggles on. From the outside, it honestly looks pretty harmless. Foam body, foldable wings, kind of shaped like a little fighter jet you'd expect to see on a hobby store shelf. Nothing about it screams, "This will mess with your sense of reality," but then the goggles go on, and everything changes. Suddenly, you're not watching a drone fly. You're inside it. The camera becomes your eyes. The aircraft becomes your body. You turn your head left, the view turns left. Look up into the sky. The camera follows instantly. No lag, no weird joystick tricks. Just your neck controlling where you look. And that's the moment it stops feeling like a gadget and starts feeling like a cockpit. The video feed is ridiculously smooth too. Full HD, 100 frames per second, which means when the aircraft moves, your brain actually believes the motion. You lean forward slightly and the horizon tilts, and your stomach does that little drop like you're on a roller coaster. That's when you realize this isn't just flying, this is experiencing flight. But the real moment happens when you press one button. Right now, the aircraft is hovering, perfectly stable, almost calm. Then, click, the nose tilts forward, 90 degrees, VTOL mode off, level flight on, and suddenly you're not hovering anymore, you're moving, fast. Top speed is around 120 kilometers per hour, which in a car feels normal, but when your eyes are sitting inside a flying cockpit, it feels insane. The ground starts sliding past, the wind noise changes. The horizon stretches out in front of you like a runway made of sky. And somehow the aircraft just holds altitude, like it knows exactly what it's doing. No wrestling with controls, no panic corrections, just smooth, steady flight. And here's something even crazier. Flywing claims you can stay up there for almost an hour. Think about that. Most immersive drones give you maybe 10 minutes before the battery gives up. But this, long enough to forget you're standing on the ground wearing goggles, long enough to actually explore. Now imagine you're not flying alone, because the X-Wing has something unusual built in, radar tracking, which means it can see other aircraft around you in real time. So suddenly you and your friends aren't just flying drones, you're flying in formation, side by side, like a tiny squadron carving lines through the sky. And somehow that makes the whole experience feel different. Less like a gadget, more like a shared adventure. Of course, there's one thing everyone talks about, the price, about $2,000. Yeah, that number definitely made the internet pause for a second. Some people instantly said, "No way." Others immediately started planning where they'd fly it, and honestly, both reactions make sense. Because this thing sits in a weird category. It's not really a toy, not quite a vehicle, and not just another drone. It's more like a flying perspective, a machine designed to trick your brain into believing something incredible, that you're actually up there. Not watching the sky, but existing inside it. And once you experience flight that way, looking at drones from the outside suddenly feels a little boring, so maybe the real question isn't how fast it flies or how far it goes. Maybe the real question is this: if technology can already make flying feel this real, how long before personal flight stops being something we watch and becomes something we step into? Because if this is just the beginning, the sky is about to get a lot more interesting.